Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and OMG, y'all. Day 6 of the MyW Days event going on right now at Walgreens has not disappointed. I have all kinds of deals. We're going to go over all the details, but first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright, now jumping right into this video, I do want to give everybody a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a ton of videos for you all this week, including deals going on at DG. We've got some really exciting news. I just put out a video this morning, so make sure that y'all go and check those out, as well as a ton of Walgreens videos as well. And in each video, I have included week-long deals, coupon matchups, all kinds of good information. So even though we're on day 6 and we have a specific deal that we're going to talk about, those videos are still good to watch because there are tons of deals that you can include in today's deal. In those videos, you're going to find tons of sales, you're going to find coupon matchups, exclusive coupon matchups, and even a few hidden free Walgreens cash offers. So if you have missed out on any of those, make sure that you go and check them out. They're all going to be listed and linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, like I said, we are on day 6 of the MyW Days event. It has been an epic week at Walgreens, but today is Friday, August the 28th, which means that we only have today and tomorrow, and then that's going to be it for this event. So as for today's deal, we have $10 in Walgreens cash rewards coming back to us when we complete a $10 pickup order. And then don't forget that we're still earning back that extra 25% in Walgreens cash on every single purchase. So today is a really good day to be putting in some pickup orders. Now we're going to start off with some coupon matchups. And I just want to go ahead and point out this deal right here. It is an exclusive coupon. It is not on all accounts, and some accounts may have multiple of these. I had one account with 2 10 off 1 L'Oreal digital coupons. So if your store has these items in stock, here's the eye cream, $16.99. We also have another one that's priced at $18.99. If your store has those in stock and you have that $10 coupon, all you have to do is add that into your cart. That $10 coupon is actually going to count as cash out of pocket. So there you go. You've already paid your $10 out of pocket. You're going to get $10 back for that pickup order. And then for the rest of your total, you can actually use Walgreens cash to pay the rest of the balance, or at least as close as you can get it. I believe you can redeem 5, 10, and then 20 is the max amount that you can redeem on a pickup order. So my goal for today was to go through all of my coupons, find all of my high value coupons. If I didn't have that L'Oreal coupon, I would put a couple of items together and make sure that my manufacturer coupons total was $10 or more. And that way I could use all of this wonderful Walgreens cash that I've earned all week long. I could use that Walgreens cash now to lower my out of pocket and get a really, really good deal. So I'm going to share with you guys what I did here in just a second, but I do want to go ahead and point out that we do have some really good deals on the Schick razors, and these are also on a promotion for when you spend $20, you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. And I did include that deal in a scenario that you're going to see here in just a second. But up first, here is a really super simple deal that anybody can do. You want to pick up 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoos or conditioners. They're on sale 2 for $8, and they're on promotion. Buy 2, get back a $3 register reward or $3 in Walgreens cash rewards. And then we have that 3 off 2 digital coupon that will go right along with those deals. So then you want to throw in 2 of the Dove body wash. They're on sale for $7 each, and they're on promotion. Buy 2, get back a $4 register reward or Walgreens cash. We're going to talk about that here in just a second. But for the Dove body wash, pick up the men's or the women's. We do have a 7 off 2 digital coupon. So 7 plus 10, that gets us to $10 worth of manufacturer coupons, which also counts as cash out of pocket. So we're still going to get back our $10 in Walgreens cash. So with all 4 products in your cart, that's going to put your subtotal at $22, $10 worth of manufacturer coupons. You can then use $10 in Walgreens cash to lower your out of pocket. You're going to pay $2 plus tax. But then you are going to get back $10 in Walgreens cash for doing the $10 pickup order, $3 in Walgreens cash or a register reward for the Garnier, $4 in Walgreens cash or a register reward for the Dove, making your final price completely free plus a $2 moneymaker. And keep in mind that I didn't even factor the 25% everyday booster. So that should make it an even bigger moneymaker for you. Now, I do have a question for you all because all week long I have been having issues with my register rewards. Like I told you all at the beginning, the Catalina machine was down at my store. Well, it started working, so I started doing some register reward deals, and I was including some of these deals like the Garnier, the Crest, the Oral-B in with my pickup orders. So whenever I would go to pick up my pickup orders, I wasn't expecting a register reward to print off. However, they are printing off for pickup orders now. So I wanted to ask you all, are you guys experiencing the same thing? Or are you just getting your Walgreens cash back in place of those register rewards? Let me know down in the comment section below. Another thing that I want you all to do is to make sure when you go to put in your pickup orders that you go ahead and type in all of these codes. So we've got WAGS 2023, we have July Beauty. Both of those take off about the same amount. I know the July Beauty is 15% off of beauty products. And then we also have Fast 10 and WAG 10. So just make sure that you go in, type in all four of those because either they're going to apply or not. But once you add them, they're always going to be there. So you don't have to worry about remembering whether or not you needed to put in a code because you'll have all of those listed and those will just automatically apply. So that's just one quick little tip and trick that I learned this week. So make sure that y'all do that. All right, now for this next transaction, we needed to stock up on mouthwash. So Listerine is on promotion for when you spend $10 on Listerine products, you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. So I did include 2 of the Listerine priced at $10.99 each. Then I threw in the L'Oreal eye cream. That way I could use that $10 coupon and lower my out-of-pocket. So my subtotal was $38.97. The promo code took off $4.35 plus that $10 manufacturer coupon. So that brought my total down to $24.62. I paid $20 in Walgreens cash rewards plus $4.62 plus tax out of pocket. But this still gets better because I will get back $10 in Walgreens cash for putting in the pickup order, $10 in Walgreens cash for spending 2 times on the Listerine, plus 25% back on the everyday booster. Now, if you take a look on the screen, it says that I'm only getting back $14.88. Well, I spoke to another couponer this morning. She's a really good friend, and she knows Walgreens. And we were kind of talking about the different transactions that we did. She had already picked up her orders. On some of them, it was showing the full amount that she was supposed to get back with that $10 in Walgreens cash for doing the pickup order. On others, that $10 wasn't showing up until the order was completed or picked up. So I think that is the discrepancy. So that may or may not show up for you when you check out. Just make sure that you keep an eye on it and make sure that you're getting back all of the rewards that you should be getting back. All right, now for this next transaction, I threw in the L'Oreal eye cream, the Crest mouthwash, because like I said, we need to stock up on the mouthwash. Then I also did the Skintimate and Schick razor deal. So the Skintimate and Schick razors for $6.99, and then I also picked up the Schick Hydra women's razor for $10.99. And here's a look at all of the coupons coming off, plus that July Beauty code took off $3. So my subtotal was $46.95 after the promo code, plus $23 in manufacturer coupons. I used $20 in Walgreens cash to pay, and then I paid 98 cents plus tax out of pocket. Now, I got back $10 in Walgreens cash for doing the pickup order, $5 in Walgreens cash for doing the spin deal on the Schick razors, plus 25% back on the everyday booster. So that made this transaction super, super cheap, if not completely free. All right, now for this one, I picked up the Scott bath tissue. I also threw in 2 of the Dove men body wash, plus the $6.99 Tampax, and 2 of the Walgreens brand trash bags. So these are on sale for $6.99 each. So here's a look at the coupons and the promo codes. My subtotal was $39.97. The promo code and the IVC coupon for the Scott bath tissue, that took off $4.21. Total manufacturer coupons was $12. So then I used $20 in Walgreens cash to pay. I paid $3.76 plus tax out of pocket, but the deal gets even better because I got back my $10 in Walgreens cash for doing a $10 pickup order. I also received back the $4 register reward on the Dove, 25% back on the Everyday Booster, plus don't forget right now, all week long, we have 30% back in Walgreens cash on Walgreens brands. Now, according to the Walgreens app, I'm getting back $14.14. However, the math just isn't mathing right there, especially with the 25% Everyday Booster and the 30% back on the Walgreens brand items. So I will make a post about that on the community tab once that order gets picked up. But either way, this transaction works out to be super, super cheap or absolutely free. So it is still a great deal. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all are getting out there and scoring on these deals before everything sells out. I can't even tell you all how many items are out of stock at my store. The shelves are looking pretty bare. So get out there and grab some deals before they are gone. And before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.